The Curious Case of Achoo. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a unique English phrase that you might have heard but might not understand. It's not a word you'd find in a classic dictionary, but it's ever present in our daily lives. Let's explore Achoo. Achoo is an example of what we call onomatopoeia. These are words that imitate the natural sound associated with the objects or actions they refer to. In the case of achoo, it mimics the sound someone makes when they sneeze. That's right, when someone sneezes, English speakers often represent the sound of the sneeze as achoo. You might wonder if achoo can be used in daily conversation or if it's just a sound. Well, you can definitely incorporate it into sentences. Here are some examples. 1. Achoo, said Tom, reaching for a tissue. 2. Every time there's dust in the air, I go, achoo. 3. Did someone just say, achoo, or was it an actual sneeze? Understanding and recognizing achoo can be beneficial for several reasons. 1. Cultural context. In English-speaking cultures, it's common for people to say, bless you, or Gesundheit, a German word meaning health, when someone sneezes. Knowing the sound, achoo, can help you anticipate this response. 2. Conversational dynamics. Recognizing achoo will help you understand what's happening in a conversation. If someone sneezes while talking, they might pause and then continue. It's a natural break in the flow of speech. 3. Descriptive writing. If you're writing a story or a description in English, using onomatopoeic words like achoo can make your writing more vivid and relatable. And there you have it. The seemingly simple achoo carries more than just the sound of a sneeze. It's a blend of culture, conversation, and colorful language. We hope this video has been enlightening. Remember, every sound, every word, every phrase has a story to tell in the world of languages. Until next time, happy learning!